Welcome to PolyVoice. One voice, all voices. We're here at ISE 2026 to show you how Riotouch and PolyVoice are redefining global communication. PolyVoice offers a comprehensive suite of tools for real-time translation, group collaboration, and seamless device integration. Getting started is easy. Just create your account, connect your preferred devices, and you're ready to start communicating in any language. Whether you're using our mobile app or our enterprise smart screens, the connection is instantaneous and secure. Our core feature is real-time translation. Speak or type in your native tongue, and PolyVoice does the rest. Advanced voice recognition ensures that every nuance of your speech is captured and accurately converted. Visual feedback allows all participants to see the translation as it happens, ensuring no one is left behind. PolyVoice shines in group settings. Connect teams across continents without the friction of a language gap. With support for over 100 languages and dialects, your business can truly go global. Experience true collaboration in real time. Our interactive solutions bring teams together no matter where they are. Join us here at ISE 2026 to see these innovations in action and explore the future of interactive technology. Security is our priority. All translations are encrypted, ensuring your sensitive business data remains private. Join our vibrant community of users to share tips, tricks, and best practices for global communication. Your history and preferences are synced across all your devices, so you can pick up exactly where you left off. Need help? Our extensive knowledge base and 24/7 support team are always here to assist you. Ready to start your journey? Log into your dashboard today and take the first step towards a world without language barriers. Riotouch, more interactive. Join us at ISE 2026, Booth 1F200. We'll see you there.